composition is truly masterful.
So, are you taking him?
Hi, it's me, Andrzej, and I'm starting up the van, not Andrzej. Let the old guy warm up for a bit. The Zeiss cast SM Garage will be up and running. We're seeing what form, how many motorcycles, how many projects we managed to start. But we smell blood, and just like the GSX-R is slowly coming together, we have to dig into a bunch of these projects. Because it's not like we can assemble every motorcycle in a week and show it to you. Look, something got done and it's already finished now, it takes time. So to have enough time and keep the publications coming, we have to start a bunch of different projects. This one will be special. It will be wonderful and the most amazing in the world because it will involve the team from Soumya Zeiss, whom you might have read about in this issue, and if not, you can find information about them on the website. The motorcycle club, a vibrant group of positively enthusiastic and somewhat crazy young people, along with one dedicated model worker, meticulously restores classic Polish motorcycles in the charming small town of Soumya Zeiss. A truly remarkable endeavor. We were so impressed by the dedication that the Richmond brand saw posts about them on our social media. On the website, I can't even remember where exactly. Anyway, when Richmond noticed them, they said, wow, these guys are great. We'd be more than happy to provide them with some tools. So Tobias went over with the tools so the guys and girls would have something to work with. Now we're taking it a step further because we have a plan to build a really cool racing motorcycle here, actually, to restore a Polish racing motorcycle. And Richmond announced, listen, in that case, we're providing the budget for it. Find the motorcycle, bring it to the team, deliver it to the crew in Soumya Zeiss, and let them build it. And there are also plans for what we'll do with it next. But first it needs to be built. So to find such a motorcycle, you have to go to the one right Placeto, Mr. Włodzimierz Gąsiorek. I'm gonna pick up Philip so that this time the filming will be more professional, not just with a GoPro. Philip, what perfect timing. Let me explain what's going on. There's a team, a crew from Soumya Zeiss, with a manager who brought them together as the Soumya Zeiss Motorcycle Club. And they restore Polish motorcycles, all kinds. And the idea came up to build some kind of racing motorcycle. Is that a good idea?
Let's go. I'm not saying anything. Let's go.
How wonderful. Is this a WFM?
It's based on the new WFM.
Aha.
First of all, it's safe, but secondly, it's a motorcycle you just can't kill. This is a truly finished piece of work.
Are there any unfinished pieces? Because the question is, which one can we swipe from you?
We'll find something. They're just sitting there because nothing's been done with them for a long time. But this is the second, third, fourth, fifth one.
That's awesome. Incredible. So really, all of them need to be started up. You have to get one running to show.
That's what I'm saying.
And then, of course, you should save all of them. Every single one.
There's still a significant amount of work that needs to be done, but the foundational framework is already in place.
But there's more than enough because honestly, this is the perfect base for restoration. Everything is complete. You just have to take everything apart.
What's more, these are robust vehicles that have truly proven themselves over time.
So we have to pick one then. Jesus, this is amazing. I love this so much. And the more I continue to ride these new motorcycles, the more I am drawn to the older ones.
The engine modifications were done by me.
Aha, okay.
And on that basis, I got the homologation so I could sell these as road motorcycles. And they were sold under the WFM brand because I own the WFM and also trademarks. So are you taking it?
Of course we are.
All right, let's go.
really like it, Philip?
Yeah, very much.
I'm so excited. Man, I'm gonna cruise around the track with this thing. The riding position is awesome.
It's a vehicle that rode really well. I had a group here, they rode this new WFM on the FSO track for 24 hours. They broke the old Polish record by 20 kilometers per hour. The youngest was 11 and the oldest was 16 years old. As for the rest, everything is available. Exhaust systems, sporty ones.
I even saw made with extra.
So I'm telling you, everything is there.
I can't wait to drive this. I wonder if it'll make it up the hill. I was about to ask that question. Yeah, right. But I am really, truly looking forward to it very much. This is the best thing we've done in years, but the guys from Soumya Zeiss really take care of it. Goodbye. These are people made of steel, aren't they? 83 years, and I still need to do this in my life. I still want to bring back moped licenses to schools, start up racing series, and what else? You're 83 years old and still have so many things left to do, but I wish I had that much energy at that age. But the little motorcycle is here, and that's the most important thing. And what's interesting is, from the very beginning I thought it was going to be a WFM, but because I didn't really get the whole thing. I knew there were racing motorcycles. I knew it was connected to WFM, so I thought, okay, these are old racing WFMs. And it turns out that this is a WFM, but a modern WFM, because Mr. Gonczarek is the owner of the WFM brand. So when building a racing motorcycle with a modified frame from a Minsk and a modified engine from a Minsk, theoretically someone might say it's a Minsk, but in reality it's actually a WFM. Because if you're the owner of WFM and you say that you're branding it with your own brand, then what we have on the truck is a racing WFM just with a Minsk engine. Well, what about it? Canex bikes in the World Championships ride with Triumph engines. They used to ride with Honda engines. So, come on, that's awesome. Well, Soumya Zeiss team, you've got a really cool mission ahead of you. I hope you'll be satisfied. The next step will be that Tobias will take this motorcycle to you, and we'll see what comes of it. It might turn out that it goes even faster, because I want to take it for a ride myself. I don't want to wait too long. I want to ride it sooner. Alright then. Take care.